How you doing, folks? This is Jacob Ferrara here. Today I'd like to discuss with you network maintenance. The point of network maintenance is to keep your network for your company running smoothly and running efficiently. I have here, as an example, a network wireless router. This is typically something you might see on a smaller scale network. They come in much larger sizes for bigger networks. If you're going to be doing any kind of business network, most likely you'll set it up as some kind of star topology, which basically means you're going to have a network where your outside line comes to one central hub. From that hub, it will split off into however many other hubs you're going to be using, and then from that to user PCs in each zone. Now, this will make it easier to perform network maintenance. With this, you can know if a computer goes down. If multiple computers go down on one hub, then it could be something wrong with the hub itself in that general area. You can check the switches or the router or any other Wi-Fi devices that are set up in that hub. Now, if something were to happen where all your hubs went down, then it could be something to do with either your central unit or the service provider that your company is using in general. They could have something where a storm have knocked out one of their main lines and it's affecting your business. With this, there's not much you can do. However, it's beneficial to keep everything on a network, all data and everything else backed up, usually on a RAD drive or a cloud server, something like this, in case some kind of event like this does happen. But typical maintenance for these devices, switches, routers, modems, Cat5 lines, everything should be done at least once a week. Some maintenance more than others. Dusting, vacuuming, all your physical devices should be done probably at least once a month. This will keep the devices from overheating and breaking. Physical things like fans, cooling units, these get replaced generally as they break. Using server restarts at least once a week will keep the server's RAM and other memory clean, and this will help your users on the server to have access to the computers more efficiently. This way, if their computers are running efficient, then they'll be able to get more work done throughout the day. Having your network secured behind any kind of secure room, steel doors, cages, or other thing like this will help people from tampering with anything, and it'll stop you from having to do other kinds of maintenance on the server. With the different things like this and weather, it's good to have your server at least a few feet off the ground, if not on the second floor of a building. This will keep any flood damage from getting to your main units, because once a server goes down, it can take days or weeks to rebuild a whole unit from nothing. This type of repair will cost the company not only a lot of money in new parts, but it'll also keep the cost of maintenance and all the labor that's going to have to come with this. That way, you can keep these things running efficiently. You'll save your company a lot more money on these maintenance things by just simply putting a secure door and cooling units in the server room itself on a second floor of a building. If there's any other questions on maintenance, I'll take them at this time.